Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Lee with Pharos. Today in this video, we're going to go over some of the features of the VM Rigid and see how it compares to some of the other cases out there on the market. First off, our main case is made from a single piece of aluminum, meaning it's stronger with only 4 seams. Then it is formed, not stamped, to deliver a cleaner look. When mounting this case to the wall, you have a couple of options for routing the wires. You can either go through the wall itself or pass it down through the bottom of the case where there's a removable cover plate. There is also two 22mm holes down at the bottom to allow you to use Vendel switches for power and reset if you choose not to use the buttons on today's motherboards. Besides the dual bays on the front side of the case, we also have a side bay to allow you to add a DVD drive if you still desire to use one. Or you can use it to add band controllers or any other accessories that fit in a 5.25 band. All 4 mounting tabs are actually located directly behind the expansion bolts on the front side of the case. This is to allow you, once the case is mounted, to send a screwdriver through that hole and tighten down the case to the wall, making the only way to remove this case back off the wall is to loosen those same 4 screws back up. Even though the hole layouts are designed for an ATX motherboard, you can fit anywhere from a mini ITX all the way up to an EBB form factor on this case. So as you can see, as we're building here, we're taking one of our workstations and putting it on the Alpha build. We're doing nothing crazy for wire management or anything for modifications. It's just to show you how clean this will look even when you just do a normal build. Although our cases are made out of aluminum, all our hardware is stainless steel. Reason being is that way the case will last as long as you need it to for as many builds as you want it to. So let's talk about the packages. The Alpha package is the base for all the other packages. The difference between the Alpha and the Bravo is the Bravo uses the SRM radiator mounts, which gives a more traditional box feel to the case. The Charlie goes off the WRMs, which is the wide radiator mounts. This gives more of an open presentation look to your computer build. Having these components to where you can add and remove them at any time means you can start with the Alpha and expand your case anytime down the road. The wings themselves have mounting tabs on them as well. These tabs can be used to add acrylic windows or to add expansion plates later on that will house more radiators or fans to your liking. The idea behind this is to allow the case to grow with the user, not the user to have to adapt themselves to the case. So let's talk about the best part about this case, its weight. The Alpha case weighs less than 6 pounds with all the mounting hardware already on it. If you add the wings to this, it's still below 7 pounds with them on, as to where some other wall-mounted cases weigh upwards of 29 pounds. Thank you for checking out our video and our cases. We'll be posting up new videos all the time with new builds. Please stop by and make sure you check out our Facebook and our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you soon.